Let's go, guys. It's Raul TV, Team R4UL, your favorite YouTube mechanic, back again. And it's the same car that we're doing the brake pads and discs on, the front rotors. Okay, we are going to do the handbrake cable. One of the rear handbrake cables knackered on it, so we're going to go ahead and replace that. Say Alhambra or VW Charan. Even I think it's pretty similar on the Ford Galaxy as well. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and replace the handbrake cables, one side. Okay, they come individually, so we're going to go ahead and replace the one side. I don't know, we should change both of them, but the guy wants one side, we're going to do one side. Okay, so let's go ahead and do it. Say Alhambra 2007, and it's a diesel. It doesn't matter if it's diesel, should be pretty much the same. Let's go. Okay, first things first, two things, okay. One is, there's no point doing this, okay, because even if we slacken it here, okay, which you're supposed to slacken it, it's not going to do anything because the cable is seized up, right? So if the cable wasn't seized up, you can slacken it here, makes your life easier to take it off here, okay, on the caliper. So what we're going to do is we're going to go with this one, 13 milli, okay, and we're going to go like this onto there, and we're going to go clockwise. Okay, so when we go clockwise, as you can see, it pushes the caliper, the lever arm down, and then with the other hand, we're going to take that cable off. That's what we're going to do. Like I mentioned, if the cable was okay, we can go ahead and slacken it here, that 10 mil there, slacken it here, and then the cable would slacken. It makes it so much easier to take that off. But because it's seized up, clockwise, let's take that off. Okay, now that we've got the cable off, as you can see that I can't even move it, it's seized up. We're going to go ahead and take this clip off. Flat screwdriver, that's all you need. I mean, it's not a hard job. It's the only hard bit is, obviously, if it's on the floor, that's going to make your life a little bit harder. Okay, so that clip is off. That should pull off from there. Once I give it a little bit of persuading, that will come off. Okay. Okay, now that the cable is off, I had to talk to it and caress it and everything, that it came off. Or you could just use brute strength. I'm only messing, guys. So what we do now is we go to this side. Okay, we're going to get a flat screwdriver. Okay, so the next thing is, I mean, if you've got big dogs, just get some big dogs and bend them. If not, just get a pry bar or a screwdriver or whatever you've got and just bend it there. Pry that one off. That one's come off as well. There we go. Okay, everything is off the brackets here. Cable's freestyling. Here, I put some oil on there and then give it a little pry. I'll show you what I did. All I did was I just pried it a little bit. And when it went loose, as you can see there, I can get that off, no problem. I mean, if it didn't come off, what you have to do here, you have to slacken that, okay? And that is absolutely seized up, not moving. Okay, but you have to slacken it. Okay, worst comes to worst, what you have to do is just cut that nut off, then you can put another 10 milli nut on there. Okay, but mine's come off, so happy days. I can just take this cable off, no problem. Okay, that's off from there. All we do now is should pull it, come straight off. That's one cable off. Let's get the new one on. But like I mentioned, guys, this is going to be a little bit of a headache. So what it is, you don't want to go snapping that, because if you snap this here, which means you have to go change the cable over there, which is not mega issue. You can just buy that cable, right? I would renew it if it was me, but since I've got it off, it should be okay. I'll get the new cable on. Everything should be absolutely fine. Let's get the new cable on. We have it, one new cable. I mean, it's not rocket science. Exactly the same way we took it off. We're just going to put it back on. That goes through there. And we'll get it onto the hook there. Onto this hook here. Not easy doing it with one hand, guys, but try my best. Soldering on for you guys. We'll get that back on there like that. There we go, that goes on there like that. Happy days. This will go all around here, onto that bracket, onto this bracket, then back onto here, then back on there again. That's about it. 2 minutes to really do it. Okay guys, the cable is on. It's on there, all the way around here, all the way there. I put a new nut on there as well. Happy days. That spring, I'll put a new spring on there as well. Okay, that's just a return spring. Straight up honest with you, the rod snapped, so I've got a nut on there, nut and washer on there, but I don't think I'll get the spring on there. But I'll sort something out. Don't worry. I'll basically get a spring from there to there, like a return spring. That should be all right. That's it. All done and dusted. Happy days. Well, that is it, guys. That's how we replace the handbrake cable on a 2006-7 kind of thing. Seat Alhambra, VW Charan, even the Ford Galaxy. I think they're pretty much the same. Yeah, not that hard. Easy job. Hope this video helps you guys out. If it didn't help you guys out, I'm sorry. Trying my best. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell button for me. Leave a comment in the comment section. Raul TV, Team R for you well. We'll see you guys next time.